22 Caffeine health benefits. Number 1. In Japan, researchers have shown that caffeine increases memory. Also, a newer study out of Johns Hopkins University showed that a 200 mg caffeine pill helped boost memory consolidation. Number 2. Caffeine mixed with carbs replenishes muscle glycogen concentrations faster after exercise. Number 3. Caffeine detoxes the liver and cleanses the colon when taken as a caffeine enema. Number 4. Caffeine helps keep you alert while driving during periods of sleep restriction. Number 5. Caffeine can stimulate hair growth on balding men and women. Number 6. Caffeine relieves post-workout muscle pain by up to 48%. Number 7. Caffeine helps ward off Alzheimer's. Number 8. Caffeine increases stamina during exercise. Number 9. Caffeine protects against eyelid spasm. Number 10. Caffeine may protect against cataracts. Number 11. Caffeine may prevent skin cancer. A new study out of Rutgers University found that caffeine prevented skin cancer in hairless mice. Another study showed that caffeinated coffee drinkers have less risk of developing melanoma. Number 12. People who consume caffeine have a lower risk of suicide. Number 13. Caffeine may reduce fatty liver in those with non-alcohol related fatty liver disease. Number 14. Caffeine is shown to reduce liver fibrosis risk in patients with hepatitis C. As little as 100 mg per day is believed to have protective benefits. Number 15. Caffeine-consuming men showed increased semen volume and significantly less sperm DNA fragmentation than non-caffeine-consuming men. Number 16. Men who consume 250 to 375 mg of caffeine per day have a much lower risk of developing erectile dysfunction. Reduced risk was even observed among men consuming as little as 85 mg of caffeine daily. This research was conducted by the University of Texas Medical School. Number 17. Caffeine may prevent ringing in the ears, tinnitus, in women. A study recently published in the American Journal of Medicine followed a group of 65,085 nurses since 1991. The women who consumed the most caffeine had the lowest incidences of tinnitus reported. Number 18. Caffeine reduces kidney stone risk. In a large 217,883-person study, those that consumed caffeine from any source had less kidney stone formation than those that did not consume caffeine. The researchers believe that this is because caffeine makes urine more dilute. Number 19. Caffeine improves reaction time and logical reasoning during times when sleep isn't possible or restricted. Number 20. Caffeine helps those with asthma. A study published in the U.S. National Library of Medicine concluded that caffeine seems to open airways and help asthmatics breathe easier, similarly to theophylline, a drug currently used and one that's a close cousin to caffeine. Number 21. Reduces driver error. A recent study conducted by the Australian Department of Defence found that caffeine consumption improves driving performance and reduces driver error. Caffeinated gum was used in the study on soldiers that had been sleep-deprived for 50 hours. Number 22. Caffeine may prevent weight gain. Research out of Germany showed that weight loss study participants who drank 2 to 4 cups of caffeinated coffee a day were more likely to be successful at keeping the weight off than those who did not consume caffeine.